Hello everyone! In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to contact Deliveroo Rider Support Team. First, open your web browser and type riders.delivery.co.uk. This will take you directly to the Rider portal, where you can access tools and resources for riders. Once you're on the portal, tap the menu option. From the list, select Support. This section is designed to help with questions or issues you might encounter. Inside the Support section, go to Common Questions. Look for the question, How do I contact support? And click it. If you can't find it, use the search bar and type in Rider Support. Then select How do I contact Rider Support from the results. Scroll down until you see the Contact Us button. Tap on it to start a conversation with the support team. When chatting with the support team, be prepared to share your order number if related to a specific delivery, a clear explanation of what happened, and steps you already tried to solve the issue. The more details you provide, the faster the team can help. And that's it. That's how to contact Deliveroo Rider Support Team. Thanks for watching! If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.